Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this unstuffed pepper casserole. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We're going to dive right into this unstuffed pepper casserole. It's really easy and really delicious, so let's get started. I've got a large skillet here and I'm going to turn it on about medium heat, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to the pan. And I'm going to saute our vegetables. We've got 3 diced green bell pepper, and these were previously frozen, so you can use frozen, you can use fresh, whatever you've got on hand. And I've got a whole onion that we've diced. I'm also going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. So we're going to let these saute until they're translucent and tender. It's going to take about 8 minutes. I'm also going to season them with some salt and pepper, probably about half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, we've got our onions and peppers cooked nicely. I'm going to add in, I've got 1 pound of Italian sausage and 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to cook and crumble this until it's cooked through. Okay, now we're going to season this with a half a teaspoon of dried oregano. And if you notice, I had to change my skillet to a pot because the skillet just got too small. I'm also going to add in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I've got 2 cans of diced, fire roasted diced tomato, 2 14.5-ounce cans. And a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Okay, let's stir all this up. So traditionally, stuffed peppers usually have some form of a rice in them. I mean, we could add cauliflower rice, but I think this has enough vegetables. I mean, if you want to, you could add cauliflower rice, but you don't have to. Okay, let's turn off the heat. Okay, I'm gonna ladle this into a large casserole dish. And you could also just leave it in this and top it with the cheese, and then it's a 1-pot meal. But I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the casserole dish just because I wanna. Okay, we're gonna spread it out evenly. And now I'm gonna top it with 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Okay, this is gonna bake in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. Okay, we are back with our unstuffed pepper casserole and it looks amazing. So let me just show you how delicious and cheesy this is. Look at that, that looks so good. You guys are definitely gonna wanna check out this recipe. Also, if you are on Facebook, you may want to check out my pizza casserole recipe. It is just as delicious and easy as this. If you're on Facebook, just go to jenniferbands.com and you can search for pizza casserole. And if you're on YouTube, you can just click this box right here and it will take you right to the video where I show you how to make it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.